Have you been trying to lose weight but nothing seems to work? Well, then there must be something that you aren't doing right. And if you want to figure where it is that you are going wrong, then this is just the video for you. Hey there, and welcome back to the Holistic Collective. In today's video, we will be telling you about the weight loss mistakes you may be making because of which your efforts to lose weight don't seem to yield desired results. The first and most common mistake that many people make, and this one has a time frame too. So before 9 o'clock in the morning, if you don't drink any water before your coffee or tea, then bingo, big mistake. And this is so because our bodies are in a different state of mind in the morning. Yes, your body has a mind of its own, which technically is your mind, but never mind. See what I did there? So when you first wake up, you are already in a dehydrated state. So you need to have water, or to be more precise, you need to have some sort of electrolytes first thing in the morning. But so many of us are used to having that shot of caffeine either to wake us up or whatever your reason may be. And that caffeinated drink first thing even before water makes the dehydration worse. And you may think that coffee shot gives you an energy boost, but what it actually does is it lowers your energy levels throughout the day. Now, we need not elaborate on what low energy levels can do. I am pretty sure you are aware of it. Other than this, it is highly likely that you will reach for another round of coffee or tea around afternoon to get another boost of energy. This way, you are also increasing your caffeine intake, which is totally uncalled for. And if you have that cup of coffee or tea late in the evening, then it can really hamper the melatonin production in your body, which is connected to weight gain. And melatonin is the important hormone which you require for sound sleep. So honestly, it's pointless to lose on so many good things just because you don't drink water first thing as you wake up and opt for caffeine. The second mistake you may be making is also related to your morning tea or coffee. Most of us add sugar or any type of sweetener to our tea or coffee. Now let's just say you have had water first thing in the morning before your coffee or tea, but if you add sugar, then it doesn't support your weight loss. Sugar is one of the biggest stimulators of our storing hormone insulin. So you have more sugar, your insulin goes high, and when insulin is high, your fat burning process, which is called lipolysis, kind of gets shut off. This also means that the fat storing is switched on. So if you are aiming at weight loss, then time to skip the morning sugar. The third weight loss mistake that you are making before 9 a.m. is that you are eating too early. Some of us either start our day super early, so we tend to get hungry early, or some just get up in the middle of their sleep due to hunger and eat. This may not be a good thing if you are looking to lose weight, because early in the morning the stress hormone cortisol is also quite high. This doesn't work in our favor because when cortisol levels are high, your body becomes much more insulin resistant. This basically means more of the fat storing hormone is released if you eat earlier in this insulin resistant state. This also is the reason why intermittent fasting comes into play and is seen to be helpful. So cortisol levels are high early morning, but it starts to go down later in the morning and afternoon. This also makes it a better time to eat your meal. So let's assume you eat your first meal at 9 a.m. or 10 a.m. Then you are in the safe zone because you have then crossed that cortisol spike timing. Even when you do intermittent fasting, the same thing happens. You cross the timing and eat in the safe zone when cortisol is lower. The fourth mistake you make in the morning is that you strive to follow a workout regime and work out even on the days that you may have not gotten good sleep. This can just aggravate your insulin resistance and can also spike your cortisol levels. If this wasn't bad enough, there are chances that the next day it can even increase your hunger hormone. So this is a chain reaction of things which aren't good for you that happen when you don't sleep well and exercise that same morning. While exercise sure has its benefits, there is no point in exercising on a sleep-deprived body. So if you have to choose between good sleep and a workout, please choose good sleep. This is what we at the Holistic Collective always emphasize on getting good sleep. The fifth weight loss mistake you make is that you're not getting any movement. Now that you have understood the importance of good sleep, the next best thing is to step out for a walk in the morning. Walking is a lower intensity exercise and it helps big time in mobilizing fatty acids, so your body can use fat as fuel. To this, if you additionally do strength training, then it is a cherry on the icing because it helps maximize muscles, which can help in improving your insulin sensitivity. Now, the sixth mistake you can make for weight loss has again got to do with sleep, and this one is going to bed late. With today's lifestyle, most of us struggle to go to bed on time. Even if we do, we are stuck on our phone screens, which has become an addiction. So, time to cut off all the issues that hamper you with going to bed on time. This will also help you rectify the other mistakes we mentioned earlier of not getting enough sleep, waking up early, etc. Remember the good old saying, right? Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. The best part of hitting the sack early is that it can help you wake up early enough to get that exercise you need to. Do yourself a favor and make sure no screen time at least an hour before bed. The scientific reason behind this is that it will help the melatonin level to rise. Melatonin is a friendly sleep hormone. It helps improve sleep quality. So remember, you gotta do what it takes to lower cortisol and increase melatonin. Melatonin, friend, cortisol, enemy. Remember this mantra for life and you are sorted. My producer will chuckle hear me saying sorted because he says it all the time. Next up in line is the seventh mistake which you perhaps are making in the morning, and that is offloading your first meal, which I presume is breakfast, with sugar. Earlier, we discussed how the morning is our most insulin resistant state and sugar is the biggest insulin spiker, remember? So, eating a breakfast with sugar is like adding fuel to the fire. Because your body is already troubled with being in a high insulin state, then you top it with high insulin food, that is sugar. Now, this is just the worst thing to do. So, avoid those jams, juices, and pancakes with sugar, etc. Those sugar bombs will drop bombs on your weight loss goals. The eighth mistake that most of us make, even me for that matter, but I won't after this video, is eating only fruits as your first meal. Eating fruits is great, but just fruits means no protein or no fat intake. So this means that you are not getting any of those satiety hormones. Satiety hormones tell your body when we feel full and satisfied. So it can lead you to feeling hungry soon after, making you more likely to snack throughout the day and be hungry. The ninth morning mistake, which I bet everyone does, the ones who don't, please tell us how you manage to. It is checking your phone first thing before you do anything else. Mornings are magical times. Use this time to practice gratitude, do breathing exercises, maybe some yoga, plan your day, spend time with yourself, etc. Hopping onto social media and other things first thing in the morning is the last thing you want to do. And now for the last and 10th weight loss mistake you are making before 9 a.m. Perhaps the fitness freaks will resonate with this one. We are referring to consuming that pre-workout drink. While it is designed to boost your energy levels so that you can cope with your workout, more often than not, pre-workout drinks are loaded with sugar. And we need not tell you more on the harm sugar can do. By now, you know it too. So those were the 10 weight loss mistakes that you make before 9 a.m. Time to absorb what you heard in this video and apply it to your routine. Along with this, eat right, work out, sleep well, avoid stress, and never forget to smile.